My name is Thomas Qualo and welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk all things trading, finances and money in general. And yesterday I've done a video on Bitcoin and my view on it, and this is incredible because I think Bitcoin might be breaking out of its current state and we might see another bull run very soon. But let's get into that. And by the way, let me know down in the comments if you like this type of short videos on crypto and what's going on, primarily on Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other tokens. Let me know down in the comments, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that bell icon so that you're notified when I make a new upload, because if you are trading crypto, then this is going to be very important for you so that you don't miss one single upload that I make. And certainly please do share this video with as many people as you can so that people who are into crypto know exactly what's going on, and perhaps my analysis on these short simple videos will give them a helping hand when managing their assets and managing their trades. So now, as we saw the last time, this overall situation with Bitcoin and all these flags and falling wedges, and as I've said previously that everybody is currently was looking at this wedge, but it broke out, it sort of hit its target, but now it has retraced, and the support currently is the support currently is at around $46,000, which is very strong. However, we were thinking that it might actually break it, and if it does break, then a few levels on the way down that I mentioned in the previous video could be our next targets, and also if those are going to get broken, that's completely horrible. So first thing, before we dive into the current situation and what's going on, I want to show you the overall bull run scenario and whether it's still at play. And the answer is absolutely yes, the bull run is still there. So if we go to the weekly chart, and the weekly usually is very important for identification of the general market tendencies in the long run. So if we for example take a look at EMA ribbon, then we'll see that according to the EMA ribbon, we are still good. Here we actually pierced it, the lowest point of the EMA ribbon, but we're still about in the middle, so we can go either way from here. But I would still say that this still is looking very, very bullish, just like it was here. And here we actually broke below it, but the traders and the community didn't let Bitcoin to go into crypto winter just yet, so we are still good. So if we compare this current situation to this one in the weekly chart, then we are still very much bullish. So there is really not that very much to worry about. But let's now move to the smaller time frame, the hourly one. I think that, oh Jesus Lord, let's switch off the EMA ribbon. And now, as we've seen this wedge, which hit its target but now retraced, and we are currently bouncing off of 46,000. And by the way, this has been just yesterday an incredible opportunity to take a long trade right here, and basically having a target of around this diagonal level right here, just to limit your risk. However, there was also a very interesting pattern, which was a rising wedge right here. So this was another preparation of Bitcoin to actually try and break out of this flag formation, so to speak, of this squeezing to 46,000. So this was its preparation, got all its power and just was trying to shoot right through this now level right here, and at about $47,248. And so far, so good. Let's take a look at a smaller time frame at the 15 minutes. And so basically right now that's what it looks like. Here is this rising wedge, and our target for the rising wedge would theoretically be somewhere around this area. So the target would have already been hit if you would have traded this wedge right here, the breakout of this wedge. But would have I taken something like this, it probably would have been a bit too risky, simply because the target was far above this diagonal level, which again, I don't really personally like diagonal levels very much, but when they're so strong, then I would probably still consult them just for the purposes of information. Now, the question now is, the biggest question is whether Bitcoin is gonna hold above this diagonal level right here, And it might be, again, we are still not out of the woods, because we still have this level right here, which is this top. Let's just mark it. So basically here is this top, then let's make it a bit thicker. And let's just use a simple line right here. So we still have this level right here, which we are actually testing right now. Then we certainly have this one, and this is what And this is what Bitcoin has to pass right now for us to actually say that, okay, we might be actually breaking out of this flag formation. And it's already looking quite good. There is a lot of power, but again, when the candles are have so much power breaking the level, there might be a false break, which if there is going to be a false break, then it's not going to be really that nice, and we're going to go right back to where we were, and we might actually go down to just something like that, and retest the 46,000 yet again, 45,920, and then perhaps we're gonna swing around yet again before we actually finally make this final run to break out of it, either downwards or upwards. And again, I've done my analysis in the previous video of exactly the two scenarios that would happen. And right now, as of this very second, it seems like there might be a slightly bigger possibility of it actually breaking upwards and returning to its bull run. And if it breaks out of it and actually stays above this diagonal level right here, so breaks out of this flag finally, which is actually quite strong. It follows from back in the day, and now we're just basically, the price is getting squeezed in the middle of it right here, which again is a very tradable scenario. And right now we just need to see the Bitcoin go past these two levels here and stabilize somewhere above. That there is finally a good sign for the bulls. So that's the current situation of the Bitcoin, and I would be watching it very closely. And certainly, if there's going to be a very nice false break right here, which it can happen, then it's very much tradable. Just make sure that you're properly educated, and as always, all the links to the best trading education in the world down in the description. And make sure to share this video with as many friends as you can. And let's see if we can break 1,000 likes on this video to motivate me to make these as often as I possibly can. I am Thomas Koralo. I'm super busy with all this stuff, with the Koralo Trading Show, with all the preparation for 5 people that we're going to be flying in to Dubai. So by the way, if you want to be one of those 5 lucky winners of a 2-week incredible Dubai holiday with trading and learning how to trade and exotic cars and restaurants, beach clubs, then go into the description, go to KoraloTradingShow.com and register your participation. The winners are going to be announced on the 1st of February. And if you win, you're going to be traveling to Dubai around 14th or 15th of March. So go ahead and register your participation. And as I said, all the links to awesome products down in the description as well. And if you want to join one of my famous trading webinars, then you're welcome to do so. Also, link down in the description. It's free, and it's got a lot of very cool tips and tricks for any beginner trader. And let's see if this is going to turn into a false break and create a really awesome trading opportunity, or if it's going to stabilize above this diagonal level right here. It's going to pass these two, and actually finally we'll be looking at Bitcoin returning to its bull run. And wanted to just quickly show you what the Koralo Trading Show is gonna look like. And here is the whole setup. Absolutely incredible. And you have a chance to win one of these seats right here and join me and trade with me right here in Dubai with an incredible view out the window. So make sure to check out KoraloTradingShow.com and submit your application. It's free, no credit card is required. So yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Peace and love, Thomas Koralo. I'll see you in the next one.